Hey everybody, my name is Ryan Kisong, or Ryan, and I'm just demoing this website that I made from scratch. So I'm going to first put the correct username and some wrong password, and obviously it'll just take you back to the index page, and if you put the wrong username and the wrong password, it'll take you back. So let me just put the correct username and password, and then we'll be in. So you can see, like, this is my web page. You'll see there's like a bulletin board, I guess, and with tabs with stuff. So like you can have links to ESPN, or this is my agenda. So these are some of the assignments that I've due in a couple weeks. So let's have something due on Tuesday. Then you can see that in here it'll indicate that you're on Tuesday. If you're on Friday, it'll switch the dates. So on 26th, let's say I just have some random assignment due. And then you can hit save, and then you'll see like a toast down here that it'll show that your save has been successful. And I put this weird timer here just for fun, so you can pause it, and then when you restart it, it should jump a couple seconds to the correct time. So you can see it just jumped to 40 right there. And yeah, this is basically how it works. So what happens is when I click on a button like the 28th, an AJAX call is made to execute a SQL statement, and it'll go into the database and bring up whatever, based on the date, what's in the content of that day. So it'll bring up in the database that it says 422 examine project. And the same thing goes with the bulletin boards. So make an AJAX call, and then it'll execute an SQL statement and retrieve the information and display it on to this text area. And what happens is every week, so today's Friday, and at the end, when it turns 25th on Monday, what happens is this top row will be updated, and so it will be replaced with 25, 26, 27, 28. So it will just be the new week, and then we get a new October week down here from 16 to 22. And so that's how this calendar gets updated. And so when I save something here, like at the very last day on Sunday of the month, we can say last day. By next week on Monday, the very next Monday, this Sunday last day will be saved into this box right here, since it'll be the new week, and everything gets shifted up. And that's it for my website. So it's pretty simple, but it involves PHP, SQL, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and what happens is when I log in, actually, let me log out real quick. So when you log in, the username is stored in the database as the username, just UNC. But when I type in my password, whatever it might be, it gets salted and hashed, so that when you look in the actual database, it's just this gigantic, string of encrypted code. So that's how passwords are stored in my database. So I'm gonna show you that real quick. Okay, so here we are. So you can see my username, as I said, is stored as is, but if you look at the password, you can see that it's been salted and hashed, so that this is just encrypted. So if someone were to somehow get access to my database, my account would still be protected. So that's how that works. And the reason why I don't have a create new user is because I don't want some random person, finding my website and creating like 1 million accounts. So I forcibly did not even have a create new user button. But if you would like to see more of the website, just contact me and I'll make you an account and email you the username and password. Thank you.